Do you want to turn on dark mode in your RedNote app but you don't know how to do it? I'm going to show you how you can do just that. Dark mode isn't just about aesthetics. It's easier on your eyes, helps save battery life on your device, and gives the app a sleek, modern vibe that's perfect for late-night scrolling. Whether you're a content creator or a casual scroller, switching to dark mode can transform your RedNote experience, and the process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. Firstly, make sure that your app is updated in the App Store or the Google Play Store. This way, we're going to ensure that our app is switched to English. Now, let's open the app and then go over to your RedNote profile by tapping on this icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. We are now on our profile page, and the next step is to find and click on this little gear icon that's on the right side of the screen, just next to the Edit Profile button. If I click on the gear icon, it's going to open the RedNote app settings, and that's just what I need. Select the second option from the top, and it's called General Settings. And you can now see this display section which has a language option, which will allow us to switch our app language to English, Chinese, or whatever language you use, but we're not interested in that in this video. Let's open the dark mode option, and this will give us two different options related to the dark mode, or the dark theme. If you want dark mode enabled permanently, at all times, then you can simply enable this first switch that's called dark mode, and then dark mode will be enabled at all times, even during the day, and even if your device's theme is light. But I'm going to enable the second option, which is this Use Device Settings, and then dark mode will be enabled in our RedNote application as soon as our whole phone's theme is switched to dark mode. So I'm going to go over to the app main page, and you can see that everything is white. Let's now enable dark mode on my iPhone from the control center, and then you can see that my whole application is now in a dark theme. So that's about it, everyone. Leave a comment down below on what video you want me to do next about this popular RedNote application, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.